Sa panahon ngayon, ang refrigerator ay hindi na lamang sa kusina makikita. People also put refs in other places of the house like the den or the bedroom. Kaya hindi na lang basta superior performance. Importante na rin na maganda yung itsura, style at finish ng inyong refrigerator. Whirlpool's newest single-door refrigerator offers you superior cooling performance and style. Whirlpool's Luminus refrigerators are available in black with a tempered glass door or with a stainless look finish. Whirlpool's Luminus refrigerators also have a built-in plastic stand for better balance. It also has tempered glass shelves for durability, and the interior has an antibacterial coating to help maintain freshness of your goods. Durability, performance, and style, that's Whirlpool's Luminous refrigerators. So the next time that you're looking for any refrigerator para sa inyong kusina, bedroom, or kahit saang parte pa ng bahay nyo, just look for the Whirlpool Luminous single-door refrigerator in any leading appliance store nationwide. If you want to know more about our products, please like us on Facebook at facebook.com/Whirlpool Philippines. Or you can visit our website at whirlpool.com.ph. Whirlpool, the #1 appliance brand in the world.